In this video, I'm going to show you how to get gems in Pocket Option. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to the market over here at the very left hand side of your screen, and then you want to click on market over here up top. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to see all your gems inside your balance, inside your account over here. Now, if you actually want to know all the ways on how to get them, you can click on how to obtain gems over here, and it's going to give you a tutorial on how to do this. So there's actually 5 ways right now. You can get gems for trading activity and achievements. So as you can see over here, you can be an active trader and you will actually receive achievements, and then each achievement will give you a certain amount of experience points and gems depending on its level. Okay, so this is a great way to get gems, and actually it's quite fun as well. Okay, so of course you can do that. That's part 1. Now the second one is you can actually participate in the gems lottery. So you can do that by going over here to where it says Gem Lottery, and you can go ahead and read all about this over here, and then you can just go ahead and basically participate in this lottery. Now, the third way to actually do this, if we go over here, is you can go ahead and start mining. So you can go ahead and click on Gems Mining up here, and you can go ahead and purchase a mining license, and you can go ahead and start mining gems. Okay, so of course, as I said, this is completely up to you. You can do this if you want to, or just choose any of the other methods available. And then you can also buy gems in the market or exchange gems. This is also available. And you can sell unwanted items in the market as well. And of course, you can go ahead and exchange it for gems that way too. So those are all the 5 ways you can go ahead and get started. All of them are available over here in the market and inside achievements. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.